Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen for everything. We all are now aware of the devastating earthquake that hit Turkey, Syria, and the nearby countries, and the increasing number of the people who are already confirmed dead, those who are still missing, not including all the losses and the damages. And some of the videos that probably many of you have seen is just overwhelming, subhanallah. And we all remember and should remember what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Quran about earthquake, إِذَا زُلْزِلَتِ الْأَرْضُ زِلْزَالَهَا, when the earth will be shaken violently. Subhanallah, there is a report that there had happened, it's not very strong, that there was a report of an earthquake happened at the time of Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, but the confirmed one actually is an earthquake happened at the time of Sayyidina Umar in Medina. May Allah be pleased with him and may Allah protect Medina always. What should we do? All these are signs from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for us living far away. What can we do? We need to remember that everything in this earth happened by the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He allowed it to happen subhanahu for a hikmah. Number one, a lot of dua to those who have passed away, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept them among the martyrs. A lot of dua, prayer, supplication for those who are missing, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save them and reunite them with their beloved one. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, of dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us all from any of such disasters and calamities. Second thing, we all need to rush to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, firru ilallah, run to Him, ask for forgiveness, a lot of salah, a lot of prayers, a lot of acts of charity to help them, to help donate if you can. If you cannot, then a lot of dua. That's another kind of charity. When you make dua for those who you even don't know and we haven't met, but come sincerely that, Ya Allah, save them, make it easy for them. Earthquakes are sign from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It should act as a reminder to all of us. This life is very short. This life can change in a minute. These people were sleeping. It's 4 a.m. in the morning when it hit. They were sleeping in their beds and they probably had plans. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decreed differently. We all need to get ready and look at this life in a different way, that we are here to serve a purpose. Please, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, act as His servants, as His representative on this earth to help this earth, and we are ready and get ready that any minute Allah decide to take us back to Him, that we are ready to do that. May Allah make it easy for all of us. May Allah again make it easy for all those people who are suffering all over the world, but specifically today, those in Turkey and those in Syria and those in the nearby, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have His mercy on everyone, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala save us all.